Hey guys, what's up? This is just going to be a video that shows a couple of tips and tricks for beginners that are using the Trust Wallet and swap exchanges. There's a couple things I was doing that was making me bang my head against the wall, so I'm going to try and prevent that from happening with you guys. Alright, here we go. So if you're having a hard time getting some of those lesser known coins that are on swap exchanges like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, go ahead and go to your Trust Wallet if that's what you're using. And go ahead and click that filter button at the top right. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see Add Custom Token and click that. Okay, so from here you're going to need to click where it says Network, and you're going to have to click Ethereum if it's an Ethereum token and can be checked on Etherscan, or you need to click that it needs to be Binance Smart Chain if it has BSC scan. You can check this in CoinMarketCap. So for example, let's look at Moonstar. If you look it up on CoinMarketCap and you look under contracts right here, you can see that it is a Binance Smart Chain coin. So you can just click that right there under contracts. Next to the contract address, you'll see something that says click to see QR code. Click that and the QR code will pop up. Next, you just click this little box with a line in it, take your QR code and line it up, and it will automatically fill in the contract address, the name, the symbol, and the decimals. Then you just hit accept, and that coin will be in your Trust Wallet. Now be careful, it'll let you put it in as an Ethereum token if it's a Binance Smart Chain, and it will let you put it in as Binance Smart Chain if it's an Ethereum token, and it will appear to have worked, but then when you go to it, it'll say 0, and it'll never let you transfer anything to it. So you have to make sure that you make it Binance Smart Chain if that's what it is, or Ethereum if that's what it is. Okay, so here's another one. Here's MicroPets. We're going to click contracts right there, and then to the right, click that contract, and then we're going to click to copy the address to clipboard, and then after we've done that, we're going to go to PancakeSwap, find Manage, and then click Tokens. Paste that contract address in there, and as you can see, MicroPets pops right up, and you can click Import. So after clicking Import, it's going to usually say unknown source, but right there, as you see, it says live on BSC scan. As long as you check in that contract address is the same, you can go ahead and import it. And once you import it, it'll be there on PancakeSwap for you to go ahead and purchase that token. So I know that was really basic info. Most of you probably know that, but for beginners, that's something you're going to want to know. That's something I wish I would have known before I just jumped right in and didn't know these things. So hopefully that was helpful. If you liked this video or if it helped you in any way, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you would, and thanks a lot.